Look, brand new Burlington. Burlington grand opening. So here's what the new Burlington looks like. A lot of long lines. Not too big. Probably like half size of the Burlington in Everett. Alright, so let's look at all the shoes they have to offer. They got Fila, Revere, Adidas right here. Oh, look at these Puma skateboarding shoes. Nautica, Puma, Tommy Hilfiger, Slides, Calvin Klein, Vans. Just all over the place, even Adidas. See, this is the oh, these are the Adidas Damian Lillards. See, Levi's. There's even Nike. There's a Zoom. Oh, Grant Hill. See. Let's see what else we can find. Here's what I'm wearing today. Belarus. That's the one I got from Ross. We're at Burlington right now. They have Morel. See? Slippers. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, some of the exclusive Adidas. We got Spider Mitchells. We got Air Max right here. Next Sun Club. Classic Reebok right here. See? Donovan Mitchell's. I don't know what these are, but these look really nice. Too big for me though. Size 11, $30. Oh, they even have the 3D printed Adidas ones. Look at this 4D, 50. These are like $100 somewhere. See? Look at these Fila ones. Best brands, amazing value. See, let's see what kind of bags they have. You got your Puma bags, Champion, look at this, Sharper Image, just in time of back to school. Look. Do they have any Jordan? Oh, look at this crossbody bag right here, looks so nice. Yeah, a lot of luggages too. Let's go ahead and take a look. Do they have any Samsonite? That's only a trusted brand. Nope, not going to anything other than Samsonite. Gotta have a Samsonite, right? Just like Ross. There we go, finally found a Samsonite. How much is this? This is like a mid-size. Anywhere else could probably sell like $90. It's $79.99. That's not bad. It's like a later model Samsonite. That's gonna be good for check-in, right? Medium. You don't want to carry a big bag. And right next to it, we have a Samsonite hard case, $85. See, comparable, $170 about hard case. I don't like hard case because you don't tend to put as much in there because it's hard, but this is pretty cool looking hard case right here. Oh, it even has a built-in lock. Look at this. Alright, let's see what kind of cap they have right here. So you got your Adidas, Golfs, Nike. How much for this? $11, not bad. Any sports caps? Oh, Sonic one, $10. Tommy Hilfiger, $13. Got some belt too. Look at this DKNY. Levi's, everything. See, they even have a lot of kids' shoes too. So definitely come to Burlington, the grand opening in Marysville. Check out all these exciting deals. Oh yeah, and there are a lot of toys too. See, toys for all ages.
One more time.